Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Additionally, having a clean workspace is crucial to avoid losing any screws or components during the process. First, ensure that your Conga 1390 is powered off and unplugged from any charging source. This is important for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment, which is typically found on the underside of the device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, they are often small and easy to misplace. Once the cover is removed, gently lift it away to reveal the battery. Take a moment to inspect the battery for any signs of damage or corrosion. If there is any visible corrosion, clean it with a small cloth or a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. This helps ensure a good connection with the new battery. Now, disconnect the old battery by carefully lifting the connectors with your flathead screwdriver. Make sure you do this gently to avoid damaging the connectors. If you're unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, it's time to install the new battery. Align the connectors and press them into place until you hear a click. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with the process, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you. After installing the new battery, replace the battery cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws back in place, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this may crack the cover. Once the cover is secured, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of the device. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This helps maintain optimal performance and longevity of your Conga 1390. Now, you can power on your device. If everything is working properly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery of your Conga 1390. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to assist you every step of the way, ensuring you have a hassle-free experience. In summary, changing the battery of your Conga 1390 involves gathering the right tools, ensuring safety, and following these steps carefully. If at any point you feel unsure, remember that we are just a call away to provide guidance or service. No calls, no travel, just easy solutions for your device needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.